So we're here today because we want a custom-built stand that we can take to obviously various conferences, ideally in UK, in Europe and America. This particular stand is actually for the APTA conference, which is for physical therapists in America, because that's our main customer. This is being held in Boston in America, and obviously we wanted to really go for it and go for the really big stand and get our brand out there and get lots of people using the headsets for demos so they can really experience basically a new era in rehabilitation.
Well, it's fantastic for us. It's such an important day that we've got in America for our show. So being able to learn how to put it all together first time with expert instruction is perfect for us.
I think it looks amazing. The colours have really come out. We've got the key messages, I believe, comes across. It's been really well structured, pretty easy, easier than I thought it was going to be, which is good. And I think it really highlights everything about our brand, which is exactly the message we want to do.
Well, I think looking at the stands, absolutely fantastic. Really bold, beautiful colours, really nice size. And yeah, I think it's going to work great for us to show our products in the best possible light.
I think our stand is fantastic. It's better than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, really super happy with it.
I actually really enjoyed the experience, and it was so much easier than we thought it was going to be. And it's good to see behind the scenes of how these go up, because they look like very sleek from the outside. So I was like really surprised with how easy it was to assemble it. And we were given really good instructions, really good like tips and problem solving. So we really enjoyed it today.
Today's been fantastic. It's a really easy process to follow. Yuriy's been fantastic. Yeah, I think he's answered all of our questions. The product seems amazing, and I'm really excited to take it to America and get it all set up.
Good team building exercise, because we got to work together and kind of delegate jobs. Some jobs for the taller ones, some jobs for the smaller ones, but there was something we could all do to help out.
When you're doing something on site with electrics, it's really important. Always make a hook. It's easy.
Oh, so you have to put them in?
Yeah. So you will see it now. Do the second one.
Just, is it just one?
Two.
Or two?
Yeah. Because two on fascias.
Yuriy was great. He's been really helpful, really clear. And really understanding that we don't have like much knowledge about this already. So we took it right from the bottom and built it up, and had really good tips for us. And nothing was too much for him, you know, anything we asked for, he was able to help us with.
Absolutely fantastic, really nice, friendly guy, made it nice and easy to understand on our level, and yeah, can't fault him really, brilliant.
The guys was really good. They studied really fast. Yeah, it was amazing. I'm pleased to teach them. Yeah, so it was really good. It was really fine, and they were really good.